Therefore we understand that when you said you sent forth your word and healed them and delivered them from their destruction, it is clear that the word was Yeshua HaMashiach, and that he was also the healing. And he, tells us in Revelation, is clothed with a vesture dripped in blood, and his name is called the Word of God. We are convinced, Father, that your Son is our healer, which is your word, but we also bind ourselves to your word as we declare Torah of healing, words of healing. We decree, declare, and engage the following spiritual laws of healing for our brother Noe and sister Christine and any else who needs. Psalm 107, where it says he sent his word to heal me. Psalm 147, he heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Isaiah 53, because of his stripes I am healed. Matthew 15:26, healing is the children's bread. Psalm 41, the Lord will sustain us on our sickbed. During our illness, he will restore us to full health.